2018 Kia Sorento review. With its available V6 and third-row seat, the Sorento ought to be a just right size for most families. 3. Elegant overall score. Kudos to Kia for offering something a little different. Designed to be greater than the typical 5-passenger mid-size crossover SUV yet not as large to be a 7-row family hauler, the 2018 Kia Sorento has distinctive appeal for those not happy with more common offerings. Available in 5 and 7-passenger configurations, the Sorento offers more space and practicality than its 5-seat rivals yet is less costly and less cumbersome drive an automobile than the Pros. At exactly the same time, it gives up nothing with regards to interior quality and show content. Indeed, these are typically reasons why the Sorento may be worth a look in spite of which seating configuration under consideration. There's actually all the more standard feature content for 2018, and, because it is a Kia, you continue to get its tremendous 5-year limited and 10-year powertrain warranties. The Sorento isn't for all. After all, its middle-of-the-road approach means it's ultimately higher priced than a typical 4-cylinder, 5-passenger crossover but not as commodious as being a large 3-row crossover SUV. But if you want the idea of buying a vehicle that does a bit of both, we believe the 2018 Sorento is a good choice. What's new? For 2018, the Kia Sorento receives minor modifications to its standard and optional feature availability. The Sorento X together with the V6 engine incorporates 7 seats as well as an abundance of features including advanced driving aids at a price that undercuts bigger 3-row crossovers. You can even order luxury add-ons but still keep the price pretty reasonable. As for that V6, it is not only more powerful but should deliver respectable real-world fuel economy. Avoid the underpowered base 4-cylinder engine if you're able to. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Kia Sorento will come in 5 trim levels, L, LX, X, SX and SX Limited. There are also 3 engines available. The L and LX comes standard that has a 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine 185 horsepower, 178 pound-feet of torque. Only the X comes standard together with the 2.0T turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder 240 horsepower, 260 lb-ft. EH 3.3-litre V6 290 horsepower, 252 lb-ft is optional within the LX and X, also it comes standard around the SX and SX Limited. Every engine comes equipped which has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all sorts of but the L is usually ordered with all-wheel drive. A third-row seat comes standard on V6 powered Sorentos as well as the all-wheel drive LX. It's optional for the front-wheel drive LX. Standard feature highlights with the base L include 17-inch alloy wheels, a rear-view camera, selectable drive modes, a height-adjustable driver seat, Bluetooth, as well as a 6-speaker head unit with satellite radio, a CD player plus a USB port. The LX adds a noise-reducing windshield, roof rails and 2 extra USB ports. With all-wheel drive, it is included with 7 seats as well as a windshield deicer. The LX's optional convenience package pads on rear parking sensors, an 8-way power-adjustable driver seat with lumbar adjustment, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped tire, dual-zone automatic climate control plus a 7-inch Evo touchscreen interface that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration. The cool and connected package is the identical but adds only the climate control and Evo system. The LX V6 may be equipped together with the advanced technology package that includes a forward collision warning system, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control along with an electronic parking brake. The X has got the contents in the convenience package as standard and further adds the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 18-inch wheels, fog lights, a hands-free liftgate, power folding mirrors, keyless ignition and entry, noise-reducing front-side windows, an 8-way power-adjustable passenger seat, leather upholstery, second-row retractable sunshades as well as an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. The advanced touring package standard with XV6 incorporates a panoramic sunroof, LED interior lighting, a 110-volt household-style outlet and sets from the advanced technology package. The SX comes standard using the V6 and includes upgraded steering, 19-inch wheels, LED running lights, upgraded exterior trim, automatic wipers, the panoramic sunroof, a 10-way power driver seat with 4-way lumbar adjustment, driver seat memory settings, an 8-inch touch screen, a navigation system, as well as a 10-speaker infinity head unit. It can also be preloaded with an advanced technology package, and that is comparable to the LX V6 version but adds xenon headlights, ventilated front seats and also a heated tyre. The SX Limited is sold with 19-inch chrome-clad wheels, upgraded leather upholstery, heated second-row seats, a wood trim steering wheel as well as the SX's advanced technology package. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which can be fundamentally similar. The S within this review use our full test from the 2016 Kia Sorento SX 3.3 litres V6, 8-speed automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the actual Sorento has gotten only minor revisions. Our findings remain applicable to the year's Sorento. The 3-row SX V6 feels heavier compared to the 2-row SXL 2.0T, because its handling is a lot more ponderous, and braking distances are some feet longer. The V6 adds feelings of urgency that's missing in the 2.0T, and you give up some athleticism. Acceleration. The Sorento V6 hit 60 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds. And that is a respectably quick time to get a crossover of the size. But Kia's V6 feels weaker in real-world driving, with less yank at low RPM. It wakes up noticeably at 4,000 revolutions per minute and pulls well to redline. Braking. We noted a spongier pedal feel compared to the 2.0T, and slightly longer stopping distances from 60 miles per hour. Best stop was 121 feet, which can be above average just for this vehicle type with all-season tires. An obtrusive operation in daily driving. Steering. Agreeably light effort. It's short on feedback, predictably, but fairly accurate when carving around turns. Inspires confidence inside Sorento's modest handling parameters and does not draw attention to itself. Good execution. Handling. Relative into a 4-cylinder Sorento, the Sorento V6 feels heavy around turns, with a lot more pronounced body roll. Kia says the suspension tuning is similar, and both test vehicles had exactly the same tires. Extra weight would be the primary suspect. Drivability. We supposed to rank the V6 model above its 2.0T counterpart in drivability, however the handling deficit causes it to be a tie. If you value power, the V6 is a straightforward choice, however it doesn't feel as light on its feet. The 6-speed automatic is supple. Comfort. The standard 3rd-row seat is kid-size, as well as the front seats may need longer bottom cushions. Otherwise, the Sorento is a comfortable crossover, featuring an impressively quiet cabin plus a smooth yet well-controlled ride that's one of many segments' best. Seat comfort. Firm padding right in front seats can be a plus on long trips. though the bottom cushions may prove way too short for some. The nicely shaped second row seats slide and recline. The third row's bottom cushion is basically within the floor. Comfort is within short supply. Ride comfort. The Sorento has one with the most refined rides of the non-luxury brand crossover. Impacts are well cushioned yet ride motions remain disciplined. This Kia glides serenely over patchy pavement, passing it on a distinctly premium feel. Noise and vibration. The Sorento together with the noise-reducing windows delivers luxury-grade quietness. Only minimal degrees of wind and road noise are evident at highway speeds. Bluetooth phone conversations might be conducted in normal tones at speed. Interior. The cabin is thoughtfully designed with the most part, faltering mainly in third-row space and access, a minimum of relative to larger crossovers. The touchscreen infotainment product is both attractive and functional. The materials quality is top-notch, with SX trim seeming properly luxurious. Ease beneficial. The SX trim's intuitive 8-inch touchscreen includes a distinctive font, slick graphics and quick responses. Other controls are logically arrayed without having hitches. The controls, however, might not telescope out far enough for tall drivers. Getting in, jetting out. Below steep in height and wide opening doors with intermediate detent sees usage of the first and second rows. Third row access is very challenging, however, considering that the step-through passage behind your second row is narrow. Roominess. The front seats are plenty spacious and gives an adequate selection of adjustments. Sliding and reclining second row seats add welcome adjustability. The third row is okay for the children, however it's a no-go for adults, except possibly on short trips. Visibility. The reasonably slim windshield and side pillars make Sorento a fairly easy crossover to view out of. The front corners must be visible to a lot of drivers in tight spots. Quality. The materials are class competitive, including abundant soft touch surfaces and also simulated stitching on some panels. But 3 on the 5 central buttons were blanked off, and that is odd in a vehicle in this particular price range. Nonetheless, appropriate quality overall. Utility. The third row folds easily via pull straps around the seatbacks, not very much room to the rear. The second row folds via nifty trunk-mounted remote handles. Cargo capacity is ample but nevertheless trails that regarding 3-row rivals. Plenty of nooks web hosting items. Technology. Kia's touchscreen interfaces are some from the easiest to work with. The actual 7 or 8-inch Evo 3 units including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto plus a variety of other appealing extras. Advanced safety tech can be acquired on all, nevertheless the most basic L trim.